Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about what banks work with Venmo. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm finally getting around to answering it. So, if you're wondering what banks work with Venmo, then you're in the right place. What is Venmo? Before I get into the nitty-gritty of what banks work with Venmo, let's take a quick look at what Venmo actually is. Venmo is a mobile payment app that allows you to send and receive money to friends and family. You can also use Venmo to pay for goods and services from businesses. Venmo is a great way to split bills with friends, pay for a meal or concert, or even send money to your landlord. How does Venmo work? Venmo works by linking your bank account, debit card, or credit card to your Venmo account. Once you've done that, you can send and receive money to and from other Venmo users. You can also use Venmo to pay for goods and services from businesses that accept Venmo. What banks work with Venmo? Now, let's get to the meat of the matter. What banks work with Venmo? The good news is that a lot of banks work with Venmo. In fact, most of the major banks in the United States work with Venmo. Here are a few of the banks that work with Venmo. Bank of America, Chase Bank, Citibank, Wells Fargo, U.S. Bank, PNC Bank, TD Bank, Capital One, Ally Bank, Discover Bank. This is just a small sampling of the banks that work with Venmo. There are many other banks out there that also work with Venmo. How to link your bank account to Venmo. If you want to use Venmo with your bank account, you'll need to link your bank account to your Venmo account. Here's how to do it. Open the Venmo app. Tap on the Settings tab. Tap on Banking. Tap on Add Bank. Enter your bank name and account number. Follow the prompts to verify your account. Once you've linked your bank account to your Venmo account, you can start sending and receiving money. What are the benefits of using Venmo with your bank account? There are a number of benefits to using Venmo with your bank account. You can easily transfer money between your bank account and your Venmo account. You can use Venmo to pay for bills and other expenses. You can get cash back when you use your Venmo card to make purchases. You can earn rewards points when you use Venmo to make purchases. What are the risks of using Venmo with your bank account? There are also some risks associated with using Venmo with your bank account. If your Venmo account is hacked, your bank account could be compromised. You could be charged fees for using Venmo. You could be subject to fraud or scams. How to protect yourself when using Venmo with your bank account. There are a few things you can do to protect yourself when using Venmo with your bank account. Use a strong password for your Venmo account. Enable two-factor authentication for your Venmo account. Be careful about who you share your Venmo information with. Only send money to people you know and trust. Monitor your Venmo account for suspicious activity. I hope this blog post has been helpful. If you have any questions about what banks work with Venmo, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and keep on learning.